The JHS final year students began their BEC exam on Monday, 14 September 2020, and today marks the last day of their exam. One can sense the excitement of the students since they are now graduating from the junior high school to the senior high school. How will they cope with their life ahead with this COVID-19 pandemic season? In our previous reportage, parents mentioned the well-being of their wards and also their expectation for the BEC students and also for the government. I will bring you a report as I speak with the BEC student. This is Reeby News, Accra. Hello, good
Good
afternoon. How
afternoon.
are you doing?
I'm very fine.
I feel very, very excited.
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Okay, so did you face any challenge in your exam from day one to today?
Yeah, I did, but it was on um day four.
Okay,
Day four was only the maths, which I found it very difficult.
okay,
But not it wasn't that difficult. The questions were not many,
okay,
but it was a little bit difficult. But I was able to do something.
okay. So what do you seek to be in future?
I want to become a lawyer.
A lawyer.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's okay. Can you advise your colleagues out there?
Yeah, what I'll tell them is that they shouldn't be too excited because we
Okay.
don't know what our results is going to be.
Okay.
So we should be excited, but it shouldn't be too much until
Okay.
we see our final results.
Thank you
So,
very much.
you're
Have a
welcome.
nice day. Good afternoon, my dear.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I can see you're very excited.
Yeah, very excited.
Okay, so what are the challenges you faced in the BC examination hall?
Actually, I didn't face a lot of challenges, but I did what I was supposed to do. Yeah, that was what I did.
So, what do you seek to be in future?
Medical doctor.
Medical doctor. Okay. So, how did you do with your last paper?
Last paper was good. Yeah. What we studied in class, a bit of it came and we did well. We wrote. We are hoping to have better grades.
Okay. So, your expectation is to have better grades.
Yes, please.
Okay. So, since you are going to stay home, what would you be doing the whole month before your results comes out?
Resting and resting, visiting our friends and our family members.
That's all you
Like
would do?
like tourism, we visiting other places and other sceneries and just rest, be resting. Like, cause we've been a tough months. We've been working, bend and bend and can need
Okay.
rest. Yeah.
You see, we are in the COVID-19 pandemic season.
Yes.
So, as you go home, how do you intend to protect yourself?
I'm going to follow the precautionary measures.
Mm-hmm.
So that's wearing my nose masks,
Okay.
using the hand sanitizer, alcohol-based hand sanitizers, then
Okay.
washing my hands frequently.
Okay. Can you advise your colleague out there and those who are now coming?
I'm going to say is they should stick to their books.
Okay.
They should schedule their times and know how the time they use on their phones, the time they play with their friends, and also have a lot of time studying their books.
Okay.
Because they should know that life isn't all about one places. It goes on and on.
Okay.
And to order to achieve our aims, we should work towards it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you very much.
Hello, good afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing good.
I can see you're really excited.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Can you tell us how you did in the last paper?
Oh, I'd say that the last paper I did very well.
Mm-hmm.
It was cool. I mean, the questions were very easy to solve.
Okay.
The questions that came into the exams, I mean, even if you are sleeping and someone wake you up to answer those questions, you can do it because they are
Okay.
very simple and they are short and precise.
Okay. So, aside you doing well in the last paper, did you face any challenge
Yeah, I faced so many challenges.
from day one?
Oh no.
Okay.
From day 2
Okay.
and day 4.
Okay.
The science and the maths period. I really
Okay.
did suffer because I'm not a good student at maths and science. So the exams, I really feel stressed.
Okay. So, have you and your mates made plans like a party plans after school?
Oh no,
You
I
haven't?
haven't because I don't want to be that much excited because I haven't seen my results.
Okay.
So unless my result comes out,
Okay. So, what do you seek to be in future?
me, Oh, I like to be an air hostess.
A hair hostess. Okay, okay. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. So, some students have expressed their views and also expressed their excitement. We also urge parents to take good care of their wards and advise them daily. We also seek that the government would also take it into consideration for young ones out there who are home to go for classes and keep them busy. We also wish all the graduates a very good luck and then we wish them all the best. I am Nakoko Lawe reporting for Reeby News, Accra.